Hello everyone! Today I am sharing with you how to make pasta with fresh salmon. Please keep on watching. You will need 8 ounces of pasta or spaghetti, 1 cup of fresh salmon, half cup of finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, salt to taste, some parsley, half cup of chopped celery, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Please check the description box for the detail of the ingredients. Bring water to boil and you cook your pasta. Add a little bit of salt. Cook about 8 to 10 minutes or until tender. Okay, our pasta is tender now, so we're gonna drain it. Next, we're gonna fry our salmon. In a frying pan, put a little bit of cooking oil. Sprinkle some salt on top of our salmon. After your salmon is cooked, you're gonna remove it from the frying pan and set it aside. After remove your salmon, I use the same frying pan that have a little bit of oil left from the salmon, and then put a little bit of cooking oil. Put chopped garlic, chopped onion, and cook it until it turns a little bit brown. Then you put your chopped celery, cherry tomato, and tomato sauce. And a little bit of salt. You can put it to your taste. And mix everything together. And let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After you put your noodle, your pasta, and your salmon, and done. Okay, here is our pasta with fresh salmon. We're gonna sprinkle on top with some parsley. Hope you guys like it. Please try this at home and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please click subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.